Here I have Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. Firstly, you have to open camera, then switch of course to the slow motion mode. Tap here, tap on the arrow key, and here in the frame rate you can change its speed. So like 120 is the fastest slow-mo, 240 it's like medium slow-mo, and 480 it's like super slow-mo, like it will be extremely slow. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.